Hello friends, welcome back to 𝗟𝗘𝗠𝗢𝗡 Gallery. Today I will show you how to paint a vibrant lemon artwork using acrylic paints. Let's start by protecting our canvas's edges with a masking tape. Initially, I am drawing half circles with a compass to create 3 half lemons. Here I am outlining all 3 lemons. After finishing the outlines, here's how the lemons look. Next we have to paint the lemon. To get the right colors, I plucked a lemon from my yard and cut it open. This helps me see the exact shades I need. Friends, I selected yellow, lemon green, dark green and white for my palette. Let's start painting. First, I paint outer edge of the lemons with the light green. I create a thin border with this color. Next, I add a narrow dark green border outside the light green one. For the lemon flesh, I mix lemon green and lemon yellow, leaving some white spaces between the segments. After finishing the first lemon, I do the same for the large lemon half. Now for the middle lemon. This one shows the back side, so I carefully observe the real lemon. I mix the yellow and green for the back side, and also I create a thin border for this half lemon. Friends, look at the edge of the middle lemon. There's a triangle shaped edge at the bottom, which is the tip or hook of the lemon. Create the flesh for this lemon. Now I'm going to add some light orange for the flesh. I made a mistake by adding too much orange, but I fixed it with yellow and white. After letting the lemons dry, I paint the background with the leftover colors from my palette. I use a white marker for highlights, but it doesn't work because my white marker has no color. So I switch to white acrylic paint. Then I create the seed of lemon by using pencil. I repaint the background using dark green. Then I add some water drops with the white paint. So friends, here is the final painting. I am a self-taught artist, so if you find any mistakes or have suggestions, please comment. Thank you.